Hello, good morning, jr2. Do you remember our previous session? Last session, we started our project for this chapter and we imagined ourselves as a tour guide in the planetarium. We created a poster for a constellation in a group with our friends. Can you tell me what was your constellation? Our constellation was Leo, the constellation, and we said this constellation has a shape of a line. Stars formed a shape of a line in the sky. This constellation has 9 stars, many of them are bright, so we can easily see it in the sky at night. This is a picture for our constellation Leo, and we said it has 9 stars, many of them are bright, so we can easily see it in the sky at night. Now let's start our new lesson, lesson 9, titled My Checklist. This lesson titled My Checklist. When you have a big project, you have to make a list to help you to know what you have done and still need to do. The checklist helps us to finish our work by breaking it into small steps. Do you remember when we wrote a story? We didn't use a checklist, but we used a similar process. Remember the steps we used to write our story? We used 3 steps. Number 1, beginning. In the beginning, we will write about the characters and the place of the story. Number 2, middle. In the middle, we will write about the problem that the character will face. Number 3, the end. In the end, we will write how the character solved the problem. Okay, let's go back to our list. Our list is the same. Will help us to break our project into smaller steps. Let's read our checklist together and understand each step. Number 1, we produced a constellation image to hang on the wall. This means we chose a picture for our constellation to put it in the poster. After this, we will put our posters in the class. If you did this, you will put a check mark. Number 2, I wrote 3 important facts I would like to share. This means you will choose 3 facts from the facts you learned in this chapter. For example, you can see the sun in the sky at day, during the daytime. Another fact, galaxies made up of many stars. Another fact, stars don't appear in the sky at night at the same time each night. We said they appear 4 minutes earlier every day. Number 3, we chose at least 5 facts to share as a team. This means you will choose, you and your friends in the group, 5 facts to share with your class. Number 4, our team decided who will do each task. This means each one of your group has a role, okay? Has a job, has a task to do. Your task will be, my task is to choose a picture for the constellation. Number 5, I completed my task. If you finished your task and you chose a picture or whatever was your task, you will put a check mark. Number 6, we choose at least 2 pictures to share. It means you will choose 2 pictures, okay, for your poster to share it with your class. Number 7, I helped proofread the writing for our presentation. Proofread means to improve the writing or to make it better. Number 8, I'm ready to practice our presentation. It means that you finished all your tasks and your poster is ready to share it with your class. Okay, turn the page please with me. This page titled My 3 Facts. In this page, you will choose 3 facts from the facts you learned in this chapter and you will write them. Number 1, galaxies are made up of many stars, as we said, and we saw a pictures for galaxies with different shapes. Number 2, stars don't appear at the same time every night. Okay, we said stars appear 4 minutes earlier every night. Number 3, another fact, we can see the sun and clouds in the day sky, while we can see the moon and the stars in the sky at night.